Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 33 of 365 days of coding, and today we have given another problem where we need to find the radius of a circle. So let's understand this problem. So basically we have given a circle with a certain radius a. So instead of r we will say a. Okay. Now our task is to find the area of this circle. Got it? Now to find the area of the circle we have given this formula, that is pi r square, and let's also understand the one more thing. The value of pi is also given here, 3.1416. This is thing 2 which we need to note, and let's see the input and output. So let's say our radius is 8. Okay, in that scenario we will get this output 201.06, and in case of 15 we will get this output 706.86. Now one thing to note here is we are seeing this decimal point. So we are saying we need to round the values to 2 decimal points. So there are 3 things: pi r square, then the value of pi, that is 3.1416, and finally we need to round things to 2 decimal points. Got it? So let's see what our approach gonna be to solve this problem. So we will basically start with a positive integer which basically represent the radius of the circle. Then we apply the formula of area, that is pi r square, and finally we will round the result to 2 decimal points. This is what we need to do here is. So let's see our code. Okay, so we have wrote our approach. So let's quickly see what we are doing. We are taking the radius from the user, then we are giving this radius to our function, then we are calculating the area using pi r square rule. That is, so to use the pi we will use this math library, and to use this math library we need to do import import math. Okay, now it will work. Okay, so we will use this library math, and then we are extracting pi from it, multiplying it with a square, that is radius, so it will become pi r square. Now we are basically rounded the answer to 2 decimal points. So we have rounded this area to 2 decimal point, and now we are returning this rounded area, and then we are printing that thing, that rounded area. So let's run this and see what we are getting. So our input is 8 and 15. 201 and 706. When we get 8 we get 201.06. okay, then when we give 15, let's give 15, we get 706.86. okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, now let's see what optimization we can do over here. Okay, this is kind of optimized, but one thing your interviewer may ask you to do not use this pre-written thing. Okay, do not use this math library. Try it by yourself, means do it by your own logic. Okay, so in that scenario what solution you need to write, that I will provide in the optimized solution. So definitely we can do this without using the math library. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, so we have wrote a formula. So what we did, this part is almost same. Okay, and but in this what we are doing, instead of using this pre-built formula math.py, what we are doing, we are first calculating the radius square, that is a into a, means r square we have calculated here. Okay, then to find the area, this value of pi is given us in the question, right? 3.1416. so we are multiplying this value of pi with the radius square, then we get the area. Now we are rounding this area to 2 decimal points, and we are returning this rounded area, and finally we will print that thing. So let's run this and see if it is working. So initial value is 8, so we are getting 201.06, which is correct. Let's give 15, and we are getting 706.86. so this is also correct. Okay, so we have solved this problem, and we have saw 2 approaches to solve one problem. One is using a math library, and one is using our own logic. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.